Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you think this video is helpful. We look forward to hearing your thoughts on this video in the comment section below. Aggression. Learn about the underlying causes and treatment of aggressive behavior. This tutorial discusses why dogs become aggressive, how you should respond to aggressive behavior, and how to work your dog through aggressive impulses. The definition of aggression is any behavior that is meant to intimidate or injure an animal of the same species or of a competing species. There are 5 primary reasons a dog may behave in an aggressive manner. Reason number 1, fear aggression. The majority of aggressive behavior stems from fear. Poor socialization during the critical stages of development will frequently result in a dog that becomes anxious or fearful around unfamiliar people or dogs. Dogs learn that growling and barking is an effective way of making scary people or scary dogs go away. If these warning signs are dismissed, the dog may attempt to communicate in a less subtle manner by delivering a bite. Notice the fear in this dog's body language. She shifts her weight onto her hind quarters, tucks her tail, barks, and runs away. Here she reapproaches to bark in an aggressive manner, only to withdraw again behind her owner's legs. Reason number 2, genetic predisposition. Some dogs are hardwired to actively control or guard their environment. It's in their lineage. If these working dogs are not given a clear job description, they will be quick to create their own. Dogs commonly guard property, socially significant space, people, food, and toys. It is also very common for dogs to attempt to control movement or interaction between people and/or dogs. This dog is guarding socially significant space. Couches, beds, and doorway thresholds are hot spots for aggressive behavior. Reason number 3, the use of harsh corrections in training. Owner-directed aggression can result when dogs are trained with force and intimidation. Some dogs are programmed to match force with force and will not submit when a person addresses the dog in an aggressive manner. These dogs will bare their teeth or bite in anticipation of being verbally or physically reprimanded. This dog is guarding a bully stick. Correcting the dog verbally or physically could have 3 dangerous pitfalls. 1, it could intensify the dog's aggressive behavior. 2, it could reinforce the dog's fear that bad things happen when people approach him while he is in possession of a valued resource. 3, it could suppress the symptoms, for example, growling, but increase the underlying stress, resulting in a dog that bites without warning. Drop it. Oh. The best treatment is to condition the dog to have positive associations with people's presence while he is in possession of a valued resource. With the right training plan, you can teach dogs to drop valued items on cue and in the process build stronger communication and trust. Boy. Drop it. Good boy. Here you go. Reason number 4, chronic stress. High stress levels and subsequent aggression can result from any significant changes in a dog's day-to-day routine. This can include moving, major construction in or around the house, the addition of a new dog, or the loss of a loved family member. Reason number 5, medical issues. Physical pain like arthritis, skin irritation, chronic infections, or thyroid dysfunction can bring out aggressive behavior in the most placid dogs. Consulting a veterinarian for a thorough physical exam is an important first step to determine whether medical issues are a contributing factor to aggressive behavior. Here's what you can do to help address aggressive behavior in your dog. Do respect warning signs of aggression. Dogs cannot speak. Growling and barking is their only way to express discomfort. If you feel that a dog is expressing discomfort, neutralize the situation by using non-threatening body language. Give the dog space. Avoid approaching or forcing unwanted interaction. Don't correct warning signs of aggression. Growling and barking is a symptom and expression of stress. If we correct a dog for growling and barking, we are only removing the dog's ability to communicate their discomfort. This creates a powder keg. The dog suppresses their discomfort until one day the dog is pushed beyond threshold and delivers a serious bite. People often say the dog bit without warning. This is because they were trained not to give warning. Test your knowledge of behavior. Wagging tail means a dog is friendly. True or false? False. A wagging tail is an indication of arousal level. Sometimes dogs wag their tail when they are happy, and sometimes they wag their tail when they are in an aggressive state of mind. This German Shepherd and the solid brown dachshund are both wagging their tails. Both have a bite history with people entering the home. Petting a fearful dog will show him or her that you are a friendly person. True or false? False. The best way to make a fearful dog feel safe is to give him or her space. Use non-threatening body language and avoid extending your hand or making direct eye contact. If a dog is behaving in an aggressive manner, he or she must be trained using corrections-based training methods. True or false? False. The best way to treat aggression is to work with a trainer that reinforces the dog for behavior that is incompatible with aggression and creates a controlled training environment that will allow you to systematically desensitize and counter-condition the dog to stimulus that generate stress, anxiety, or fear. If your dog does not like to be pet or approached by unfamiliar people, advocate for them. Which category does your dog fall into? Prevention. Provide positive exposure to new stimuli, men, women, children, environments, sounds. If your dog is exhibiting early warning signs, learn about reading and responding to canine body language and reach out to a professional trainer. If your dog is exhibiting moderate to severe symptoms, contact a professional dog trainer today.